Hello you guys, and welcome back to another episode of our Irish country life here in the west coast of Ireland. My name is Nikolai, and together with Chris and this little man Scooter who's snoring away, we're going to show you today how to make a fabulous lemon drizzle cake. Very simple recipe, as I like to do very simple recipes. And what we've got, 225 grams of softened butter. I forgot to take it out of the fridge, so I just popped it in the bowl in the microwave, 30 seconds, that's it. In another bowl, we have 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 4 eggs, lightly beaten, and we have here the zest of 2 lemons, 2 quite large lemons. We will also use the juice of those 2 lemons later for the drizzle. Equipment-wise, you will need your ingredients in bowls, you need your mixing bowl, you need your electric whisk for this to cream the butter, a sieve. In here I have 100 grams of sugar, and that's for the drizzle, just to save on the washing up. We didn't need another bowl, so I'm going to be squeezing the lemons in on top of that to make the drizzle for the top of the cake. And our tin as usual. I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin, and it's just lined with a simple strip of greaseproof paper across to make sure that it doesn't stick. A spatula and a skewer. So we're going to start by creaming together our butter and sugar. And so first of all, we'll start with the butter, and we just want to get it to a pale, fluffy stage. So just a couple of minutes, so you'll see it change color. It will go from that lovely yellow to a nice creamy white color. So now we're going to add our 225 grams of sugar, and we're going to continue beating that. And now we're going to add our eggs, little by little, just to get them incorporated. Now we've incorporated all the flour, and we've got this lovely yellow bundle of joy. We're going to pour it into our prepared tin, and literally just pour it into the tin, and then we'll kind of level it off a little bit once it's in the tin so that it rises evenly. Now, this is going to go into my aga, which is on, but for you guys at home, if you've got a fan-assisted oven, it's 160. If it's just a convection oven, it's 180, or gas mark 4. So just make sure it goes into the corners and it looks kind of level. It will level. So 45 minutes is up, our timer has gone off, so we're going to take our cake out of the oven. Just be careful because it's hot. Okay, and we're going to pop it on our cooling rack. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to literally get our skewer that we used for testing to see if our cake was cooked. Yep. And yes, it's coming out clean. So it's cooked. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put lots of holes. And just be careful because the tin is very hot. And we're going to do our lots of holes throughout the cake. And this allows for the lemon drizzle to enter into the sponge. As many holes as you can. Okay, I think that should be enough. And now I'm going to squeeze the 2 lemons that I have taken the rind off that went into the cake, and we're going to squeeze them into the 100 grams of sugar that's already in this juicer. Nice firm hand, or maybe some of you have an electric juicer, and that's okay too. We'll get our lemon juice down. Okay, so now our juice is in with our lemon. Sorry, in with our sugar. We're going to give it a stir, combine the sugar and the lemon juice together. And then we're going to slowly drizzle over the top. And then you will find that you're left with a nice crunchy topping from the crystallized sugar at the top. We want that lovely lemony to go down into all those little holes. Okay, so now we've added more or less all of the lovely lemony sugary goodness, and that's basically it. We will allow that now to soak into our lemon drizzle cake, and there you can see, ooh, that's hot, don't do that when you're at home. There you can see the nice sugary crust that's on the top, and there we've just got a tiny little bit of lemon pip which we can remove and pop in there. And that's our lemon drizzle cake. I will loosen the edges with a knife, just again, plain knife, not serrated. Just run around the edge, just to make sure you've loosened the cake, and then when it's completely cold, you can just get your greaseproof paper and lift it out, and it should come straight out. But for now, we'll leave it there to cool down. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification button as well. And if you do like the lemon drizzle cake, then give us a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. So from Nikolai, Chris, and of course Scooter, who's still sleeping, thank you for watching, and come back to join us for another video very soon. All right, Scoots.